bro. It's about to get cray in there, man. Oh boy. Alright, the ride has started. Let's flip and go. Look at all the bikes. Yes, sir. Say, if he hits his turn, that's gonna be gnarly. Money. That's a money shot right there, bro. Yo, Harley went down, bro. Alright, we made it to the first. Oh my god, we made it to the first gas station. Let's go. Little gas station adventures, y'all know the deal. We got hella people, so you already know we about to take over, dog. Yes? Hey, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you. Dude. Yeah. Look, right now he's mixing his two-stroke. You mix yours? You mix yours already or no? No? You already know the boy mixing the two-stroke at the gas station. That's how you mix the two-stroke, bruh. Let's go. Hey, he's the GOAT! If you look everywhere, bro, like, there's just people flossing around. Let me show y'all. Let me give you guys a little perspective of what it's like to be on a ride and just be chilling at the gas station. Look at him, he's just bulling. He's just... Oh. Bro, it's so slippery. I don't know how people are pulling it up, dude. This is the sketchiest part of the gas station, is mixing it, because, you know, Popo could just roll up and you're halfway mixing it and you still got to mix the bike. Like, you got to put the gas in first and then mix the oil, so it can get very sketchy. So yeah, he's mixing it right now. Yeah, so you do two. Yeah. That two-stroke life. God damn, I'm out here. Ooh, bro, everywhere you go, there's just people doing madness. Like, look, hitting some drifts. Bro, it's so crazy. If you look at this Harley, the exhaust sticks out. The exhaust. I've never seen the exhaust like stick like that. Is it custom or? It's a guy from Nashville. It's a guy that makes it, yeah. It looks cool. Yeah, sick. Big Harley vibes out here. Yo, he just drifted that corner. Maybe like 100 something, 150? I don't know what happened, but everyone just stopped. Yo, it's so chaotic, bro. It's slippery, man. She like put the wheel up. I'm like, bro, I'm so scared. I'm about to slide away. Let's go. Let's go. The vibes are immaculate. Yes, sir. Woohoo! Money. Yo, that's crazy. No handbrake, dude. No foot brake. All flipping balance, brother. Alright, we're hitting another gas station. I really need gas, so I need to fill up. Shit, bro. You feel sketchy? You feel sketchy? You feel sketchy or no? Bro, so scary. Fuck! What is this?
Open it, 2-stroke.
Oh, open it?
Yeah, open the top. Just want to open it. Perfect.
Can I use that?
Yeah.
Appreciate that. You already know you gotta mix the 2-stroke. It's stressful. You need it? Or?
Yes, sir.
I thought a cop was coming or something. He was running like crazy. I said I thought a cop was coming. He was running like crazy. Freaking getting crazy out there.
My plug is foul.
Really?
I ain't got a strong plug.
Hey, is it hard to pick up the quad in the wet on this?
My
Or
tires are $200 a piece.
so,
They're not, these ones aren't cheap. My shit can run.
oh, so it grips?
Oh yeah, you can't even do a donut.
Bro, with my Shinko, I be sliding so much. It's insane.
These ones are so soft. That's why they're worn out. I gotta get them ones.
Yeah.
Yo!
You gotta shake that thing. You haven't ran your overflow line out the back?
Well, I just got I only had it for like a month or 2 weeks.
Ah, you should do that because you know it'll leak onto your brakes and shit and your wheel.
Yeah.
Because it leaks right here and it shits here.
I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna put it on there.
Yeah, all the way out the back.
You got any stickers?
I gave them all out, bro. I'm sorry, dog.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, so yeah, this is what happens when you're at the gas station with the pack, bro.